Sunday routine with my toddler. Morning wake up. Start the day by waking up with your toddler. Greet them with a smile and cuddles to create a positive atmosphere. Breakfast together. Prepare a nutritious breakfast for both you and your toddler. Include foods rich in essential nutrients to kickstart the day. Playtime. Engage in some interactive playtime. Whether it's building blocks, reading books, or playing with toys, this is a great way to bond and stimulate your toddler's mind. Outdoor activity. Spend some time outdoors, weather permitting. It could be a trip to the park, a nature walk, or playing in the backyard. Fresh air and physical activity are beneficial for both of you. Nap time routine. Ensure your toddler gets a nap to recharge. Create a calm and comfortable environment for them to rest, perhaps with a favorite lullaby or a soft bedtime story. Lunch preparation. Prepare a healthy and balanced lunch for your toddler. Consider age-appropriate finger foods and introduce new flavors gradually. Family time. Spend quality time together as a family. This could involve a simple activity like crafting, drawing, or even watching a family-friendly movie. Learning activities. Incorporate educational activities into the day. This could be counting games, color recognition, or introducing simple puzzles to stimulate cognitive development. Afternoon snack. Have a nutritious snack ready for the afternoon. Fresh fruits, yogurt, or homemade snacks can be both tasty and healthy. Baby food recipes. Peel and dice apples, then cook them until soft. Mash or blend for a smooth applesauce. Sweet potato puree. Steam or bake sweet potatoes until tender. Mash or puree for a creamy and nutritious baby food. Avocado mash. Mash ripe avocado for a creamy and nutrient-dense option. You can add a pinch of cinnamon for flavor. Banana puree. Blend ripe bananas until smooth. This natural sweet treat is easy to prepare. Home cleaning. Declutter. Start by decluttering common areas. Put away toys, organize paperwork, and clear any unnecessary items. Dusting. Dust surfaces, shelves, and furniture using a microfiber cloth or duster. Pay attention to forgotten areas like ceiling corners. Vacuuming. Vacuum carpets and rugs. Consider using attachments to reach under furniture and along baseboards. Mopping. Mop hard floors with a suitable cleaner. Be mindful of using baby-safe products in areas your toddler frequents. Laundry. Tackle laundry, including your toddler's clothes and bedding. Use baby-friendly detergent to avoid skin irritations. Kitchen cleaning. Wipe down kitchen surfaces, clean appliances, and sanitize areas where you prepare baby food. Bathroom scrub. Clean and disinfect the bathroom, paying special attention to the baby's bath area and changing table. Windows and mirrors. Clean windows and mirrors for a brighter, more refreshing atmosphere. Bedroom refresh. Change bed linens, fluff pillows, and tidy up the bedroom. Ensure a comfortable and clean sleeping environment.